Hello everyone, please take a moment to meet our newest mobile technician, Aidan O'Brien.
My name is Aidan O'Brien. I'm the new mobile tech at Bernotas. A few things about me. I'm really big into weightlifting, and I just recently started playing the guitar. Favorite food? Probably some sushi. I love Whiplash. Super good movie. Good to be in the district. Excited for the school year.
Aidan started working with us this summer of 2024. Have you ever wondered how to record your screen on a Chromebook? The new Screencast app here makes it easy. With Screencast, teachers can record instructional videos or live classes with the built-in transcription and translation. Students can also use Screencast to record video reports, presentations, or to access lessons remotely. All recordings are automatically uploaded to a Google Drive. Here's how it works. To record a lesson, open the Screencast app on your Chromebook and click New Screencast. This records the speaker's face and voice along with the content on screen. The marker tool allows you to point to and highlight specific parts of your screen while you are presenting. Once the recording is stopped, Screencast transcribes spoken words into text. Both the video and transcript are automatically uploaded to Google Drive for easy sharing within your school domain. When you open the recording, you will see the video on the left and an auto-generated editable transcript on the right. You can also trim the video simply by clicking Skip Section. You can choose to go back and undo these changes later. By clicking the Share button, you'll receive a unique video link to share with your students. With this link, the students can open the recording on their Chromebooks. They can use the transcript to locate and re-watch key portions of the video and translate text into their language of choice. Having a screenshot or a screen recording is really helpful for tech support as well. So the use of this screen recording tool could come in handy when you want to capture that error message on your screen. Like with any new tool, this might take practice and a little bit of getting used to. Try it out, and it might open a whole new world of possibilities. Take care everyone, and see you next time.